Hey guys, my name's Colin. I work here at Supreme Wraps. I do a lot of the wraps here. I also do a lot of the detail work. So this is my 2017 GTI. I got this like 2 years ago. So what I started with was I did a green wrap. It's called Pine Matte Green from 3M. And I also added some detail in the front here, as well as the carbon fiber skirts, and I wrapped the lip as well. Alright, so on the side of the car here, I got some new rims from New Speed. They're 18 by 8.5, and I put Michelin Pilot Sport tires on them. I also have the side skirt as well that I wrapped as well with the detail of the black on the bottom. Back here, we have the carbon fiber and also the carbon fiber diffuser, and upgraded taillights and badge. Have an upgraded exhaust tips. Not too fancy, but they work. So on the interior, I did some details as well. So I added the suede to the side panel, and I also added this red forged carbon to it as well.